Right. Yesterday I had teach you to represent the numbers on the number line. Again I am going to solve question number 9. Write three rational numbers between -2 and 0. -2 और 0 के बीच में तीन परमेय संख्या लिखें। -2 is equal to -2 into 3/3 is equal to -6/3. We can write -2 is equal to -2 into -3/3. Dividing and multiplying by 3, we get -6/3, and 0 is equal to 0 into 3/3 is equal to 0. 0/3. Here we have to find the rational numbers between -6/3 and 0/3. There are the integers between -6 and 0 are -5, -4, -3, -2 and -1. So three rational numbers between -6/3 and 0/3 are -5/3, -4/3, -4/3, -2/3. Note that other rational numbers may be taken. Other rational numbers may be taken from -2 and 0. To find the rational numbers between two given numbers is -2 is equal to -2 into 3/3 बराबर -6/3. We make denominator same. and 0 बराबर 0 into 3 by 3 बराबर 0 by 3. Then integers between minus 6 and 0 are minus 3, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. So three rational numbers between minus 6 by 3 and 0 by 3 are minus 5 by 3, minus 4 by 3 and minus 3 by 3. One problem. Now I am going to solve question number 12. Find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. To find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3, here we see that denominators of both rational numbers are different. So we make equal. Minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2 बराबर minus 3 into 6. We multiply first rational number by 6 and denominator by 6. We get minus 18 by 12 and multiply 4 by 5 by 3, we get 5 into 4 by 3 into 4 is equal to 20 by 12. Here we see that there are so many integers between minus 18 and 20. Integers between minus 18 and 20 are minus 17, minus 16, minus 15, minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, dot dot 19. But we have to taken 5 rational numbers. Hence, required rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3 are or minus 17 by 12 minus 15 by 12 minus 13 by 12 6 by 12 6 by 12 7 by 12. Other natural numbers may be taken from 3 by minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. To make denominator same, we multiply first rational number by 6 and second rational number by 4. Minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 into 6 by 2 into 6 is equal to minus 18 by 12 and 5 by 3 is equal to 5 into 4 by 3 into 4 barabar 20 by 12. Here integers between minus 18 and 20 are minus 17, 16, minus 15, minus 14, minus 13 and so on till 19. We have only write 5 rational numbers, so required rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3 are 17 by 12, minus 15 by 12, minus 13 by 12, minus 6 by 12 and 7 by 12. Now I believe that you will solve all questions of exercise 1.2. You will try to solve in this way and I hope that you will complete this exercise, and the next day I will start some questions from test paper 1.